guys, welcome back to another mini tiny episode of This versus That. Today we're shooting out in the harsh daylight. The sun is directly above us, and Mr. Leon has a little polarizer lens filter on top of the Sigma lens. So what this lens does is turn that blue sky even more blue. Okay, let's turn that polarizer. So have you turned the polarizer? Okay, so Mr. Leon say yes, he has. Do you guys notice this? Oh, the clouds? Can you see the clouds even more distinctly? All right, so he's gonna turn it back. Okay, so how's the clouds? Is it washed out, like burnt out, or you can't even see it? Versus the previous setting where the cloud is more out there and you can see even more. Check out that one. Check out that big white cloud that looks like a cotton ball. See that? That's beautiful. And if you have a polarizer, you can capture that very clearly. Alright guys, that's it for the mini episode. We'll catch you next time.